experience today was wonderful. I thought the whole day was very worthwhile. I wasn't sure because sometimes you can find everything online and you Google this and Google that, but I found that the Scanner Society is extremely informative, very open, very up to date. So even though you can Google anything you want, they are distilling the information. They are giving a good overview. They try to meet people where they are. I was excited to see that it was a partnership with The Edge, another nonprofit, so that they made the workshop very affordable.
Hello, my name is Art Smith, and I'm here at The Edge. And today has been an outstanding day. We had an abundance of information that were disseminated here today. And it's so much information that it's really hard to take in. But it left me with one thing in my mind, knowing and feeling confident that I can get involved in this and make something out of it.
So first I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're going to work on today. I'll tell you a little bit about me, and then we're going to dig right in. So you guys probably have gotten some ads pop up in your Facebook feed maybe, or emails about how you can make $1 million online and retire on the beach next week, and that is not what today's workshop is about, because I think that's primarily a fiction.
Hi, my name is Cordelia Blake. I designed the class E-Commerce Options. We're going to be offering it live on June 29th in Atlanta. And I designed it as a way to show people the full buffet of e-commerce options available to them. So whether you're starting a new business or pivoting one that you're already running, this is a great chance to just see all the different options out there, to learn how you can evaluate them, both for short-term and long-term goal setting and your own lifestyle needs. So please join us on June 29th. Click the link below. Thank you.